Which of the following is a solution for this equation? Well, you can see that this is a sine squared, a sine, and so we can actually change this to a quadratic by just making this substitution. And so that gives us 3y squared plus 3y equals 1, or of course that's just minus 1 equals 0. So then y is going to equal negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a, it's 12, times c is going to be plus 12, all over 2 times a is 3, so 2 times 6, or 2 times 3 is 6. And that's going to give us the square root of 21 on top. Now, we can plug this into a calculator and see what we get. So if you plug in negative 3 plus the square root of 21, all of that is over 6. And that gives us 0. So this is going to be 0.2638 approximately. And if I do the minus version instead, this gives us negative 1.2638. Now, because this is what y equals, it's sine of 4x, right? Sine outputs values between negative 1 and positive 1. So it cannot output values of negative 1.236 or 38. So that one can be immediately excluded. Now we actually need to solve for x, so we're going to get 0.2638 equals sine 4x. So all we got to do is take the inverse sine and then divide by 4, and that will give us one possible solution to this equation. So if I plug that into a calculator, let's go ahead and do that in the plus, and then we're going to do sine inverse 0.2638 and divide that by 4, and that gives us 0.067 radians.